When a local customer searches for your services, your logo is often their first point of contact with your brand. If that image is missing or badly cropped, it creates the immediate impression of an unfinished or neglected digital storefront. In this tutorial, we are going to fix that by designing a professional logo in Canva and uploading it so it displays correctly in both light and dark modes on Google. To follow along, you will need a verified Google business profile, a Canva account, and access to Canva's transparent background feature. Completing this foundational step ensures your profile presents a consistent, professional image to every potential customer who finds you on Maps or search. First, open Canva and select the marketing category. From here, search specifically for logo templates to see the available designs. Use the style and theme filters on the left to narrow the options down to your specific industry, whether that's landscaping, retail, or healthcare. As you browse, keep in mind Google's strict geometric requirement. The final logo file must have a perfect 1:1 aspect ratio. Most of Canva's default logo templates are built as squares, so they automatically satisfy this requirement right out of the box. Starting with a pre-sized square template prevents Google from awkwardly cropping your logo or rejecting the file later in the process. Once you've picked a template, your first task is to swap the default colors to match your specific brand identity. As you customize, remember that Google will shrink this square image down to a tiny favicon-sized avatar on mobile devices. To maintain clarity, you should strip out any small subheadings or taglines. At this scale, fine text becomes entirely illegible. Account for Google's circular profile display, which creates a specific, safe area in your square canvas. Center your primary graphic within the central 80%. The 4 outer corners will be cut off and hidden once live. Prioritizing a simple design and respecting this central safe area ensures your brand is recognizable, even on small smartphone screens. When your design is ready, navigate to the Share menu and open the Download Settings panel. For the file type, the export must be set to PNG. This is the only format that supports the background transparency we need. Next, increase the resolution slider to roughly 1500 by 1500 pixels. This exceeds Google's 720 pixel minimum and ensures your logo looks crisp on high-resolution displays. Avoid using the JPEG format. JPEGs do not support transparency, which will force a solid white box around your logo. Before you click Download, make sure to check the Transparent Background box. Exporting a high-resolution, transparent PNG prevents the logo from appearing inside a distracting white box when a customer uses dark mode on their device. Now open Google and verify that you are signed into your business account. Search for your business name to bring up your management dashboard. Locate the menu and click the Edit Profile button. Click Add Photo, and from the list of options, be sure to select Logo. Select your newly saved transparent PNG file from your computer to begin the upload. The system will process the file, and it will then appear within your photo management dashboard. By using the dedicated logo pathway, Google's algorithm will recognize this file as your primary brand mark instead of a standard photo. Once published, your logo will sit clearly in your Knowledge panel. Because we used a transparent PNG, it adapts perfectly to the user's interface. Keep in mind that your upload may temporarily show a pending status. Google's manual review process typically takes between 24 and 48 hours to complete. If the logo doesn't appear live on Maps or Search immediately, exercise patience. Do not delete or re-upload the image, as this can restart the review timeline. With your primary brand mark finalized, the next step to completing your profile is optimizing your cover photo. Click the next video to learn the specific dimensions for that setup.